Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again, Biology on Tips. Today we are here to discuss again the NEET questions. ये जो मैंने लास्ट टाइम डिस्कस किया था पार्ट 1 उसी का पार्ट 2 है, तो डिस्कस करते हैं. चलिए शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चंस को. The first question is the pivot joint between atlas and axis is a type of. The answer is synovial joint. You can see in the diagram also. Next question. A gene whose expression helps to identify transformed cell is known as. The answer is selectable marker. Here is a very good diagram, very important. You can see here that a gene that I want to express, that is BT gene. I want to make it express, so I have connected it with a marker gene. So it is an example of selectable marker. Next question. Presence of plants arranged into well-defined vertical layers depending on their height can be seen best in. The answer is tropical rainforest. You can see in the diagram also a very good stratification. Stratification कहते हैं when the plants are found in layers, छोटा फिर बड़ा like this. So they are found in strata. Next question. The genotypes of a husband and wife are IA, IB and IAI. Among the blood types of their children, how many different genotypes and phenotypes are possible? तो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने से पहले मैं आपसे क्रॉस डिस्कस करना चाहूँगी. Here is the cross that I have made for you. Husband is having genotype IA, IB. So there will be formation of two types of gametes, IA and IB. Whereas wife is having the genotype IA and small I, or I can say IA, IO. So there will be again formation of two types of gametes, IA and small I. Now if I am making the cross of these four gametes, I will get this checkerboard. How we can make checkerboard? I have already given lectures on this. I will provide you the link of these lectures in the last of this lecture, in the last of this video also. So you can see here that there is formation of 1, 2 and 3. There is formation of 3 types of phenotypes. मतलब या तो children का phenotype A होगा या AB होगा या B होगा. But there are 4 possible genotypes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the answer will be 4 genotypes and 3 phenotypes. Next question. Zygotic meiosis is characteristic of. The answer is Chlamydomonas. Zygotic meiosis का मतलब है that the meiosis is taking place in zygote. There are two types of meiosis. One is the gametic meiosis and second is the zygotic meiosis. Zygotic meiosis उन organisms के अंदर होता है जिनकी main body haploid होती है, because zygote is diploid. Next question. Which of the following is correctly matched for the product produced by them? The answer is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It is also called as baker's yeast. It is used industrially used for the preparation of alcohol, ethanol. Next question. Frog's heart when taken out of the body continues to beat for some time. Select the best option from the following statements. Frog is poikilothermic. It doesn't have any relation with this statement. Frog does not have any coronary circulation. Frog is myogenic. Heart is myogenic in nature. हार्ट इज ऑटो एक्साइटेबल. देखिए हार्ट जो होते हैं वो दो टाइप के होते हैं, न्यूरोजेनिक एंड मायोजेनिक. सो अगर मैं फ्रॉग के हार्ट की बात करूं, सो इट इज़ अ मायोजेनिक हार्ट. दैट मीन्स इट पम्प्स ऑटोमेटिकली, इट इज़ नॉट कनेक्टेड डायरेक्टली विद द ब्रेन. सो आंसर विल बी C and D. You can see the structure of heart also. One more thing I want to tell you here. You can see in this diagram, very clear cut diagram, you can see that the frog's heart is 3-chambered, which is a very important characteristic and question also. 3-chambered heart is found in amphibians. Next question, which statement is wrong for Krebs cycle? So the answer is, the cycle starts with condensation of acetyl group, that is acetyl coenzyme A, with pyruvic acid to yield citric acid. No, it's not true. It does not combine with pyruvic acid. It combines with oxaloacetic acid. Next question. In case of poriferans, the spongocele is lined with flagellated cells called, these cells are called as choanocytes. You can see in the diagram. Can you see in the diagram? These cells, they have flagella, and these cells are called as choanocytes. Which of the following RNA should be most abundant in animal cell? Very important question. देखिए, एनिमल सेल के अंदर 3 टाइप के आरएनए मिलते हैं, rRNA, tRNA एंड mRNA, जिसमें से मोस्ट अबंडेंट आरएनए rRNA होता है बिकॉज इट इज राइबोसोमल आरएनए. It is responsible for the formation of ribosomes. So I have given the diagram of ribosome. This is the largest subunit of ribosome and this is the smallest subunit of ribosome. And can you see this long strand? This long strand is of mRNA, and on this mRNA, tRNA will attach at the time of protein synthesis. Next question. Which among these is the correct combination of aquatic mammals? When we are talking about mammals, be very careful while attempting these questions, क्योंकि लगता fish और mammals में थोड़ा कभी कभी हम confuse कर जाते हैं. So here are the images of all the animals. This is seal, this is whale, this is shark, this is trigon, and this is dolphin. So answer is whale, dolphin and seal. Next question. With reference to factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis, which of the following statements is not correct? The answer is third. C3 plants respond to higher temperatures with enhanced photosynthesis, while C4 plants have much lower temperature optimum. This statement is completely wrong, क्योंकि C3 plants जो होते हैं, they are less temperature optimum plants, whereas C4 plants shows more efficiency. They are more efficient towards higher temperature. Next question. Asymptote is in a logistic growth curve is obtained when? देखिए, asymptote का मतलब होता है when the y-axis meet the curve. So if I am saying that the y-axis will meet the curve, that means n will remain the constant. So here is the formula. You can see on the curve, n will remain constant. N will remain constant, that means dn by dt will be equal to 0. If dn by dt will be equal to 0, this value also becomes 0. Kn, k minus n upon k. This whole term will become 0. And if this whole term becomes 0, that means k will equal to n. So answer will be second. Next question. Out of X pairs of ribs in humans, only Y pairs are true ribs. Select the option that correctly represents value of X and Y and provides their explanation. देखिए, number of ribs कितनी होती है humans में? 12 pairs. So सबसे पहले हमें select करना है 12, और फिर Y pairs are true ribs. तो true ribs होती हैं 7. So answer will be first. You can see in the diagram. First 7 ribs are true ribs, then they are the false ribs, they are not attached to the sternum, and last 2 ribs are the floating ribs, they remain hanged. Next question. The DNA fragments separated on an agarose gel can be visualized after staining with? The answer is ethidium bromide. Very beautiful diagram. You can see the structure of ethidium bromide and how it combines with DNA molecule in between, so that it can give reflection when it is visualized. Next question. Functional megaspore in an angiosperm develops into it develops into embryo sac. Did you remember that there is formation of 4 megaspores? Out of those 4, only 1 remains functional, 3 degenerate towards the chalazial end, and 1 megaspore which is present towards the micropylar end, it remains functional. So that 1 functional megaspore undergoes the process of division to form the complete embryo sac. Embryo sac is the female gametophyte. Among the following characters, which one was not considered by Mendel in his experiments on pea? इस क्वेश्चन के ऊपर मैं पूरा अपना एक लेक्चर दे चुकी हूँ, अगर आपको याद हो तो इसका आंसर होगा ट्राइकोम. देखिए कैसे मैंने सारे कैरेक्टर्स डिस्कस किए थे. These are the 7 characters that were taken by Mendel, and इन कैरेक्टर्स के अंदर ट्राइकोम कहीं नहीं आता है. These characters are present on 4 chromosomes, 1, 4, 5 and 7. It was discovered by S. Blixt. Next question. Lungs are made up of air-filled sacs, the alveoli. They do not collapse even after forceful expiration because of the presence of, the answer is, residual volume. देखिए अगर हम बहुत फोर्सफुली एक्सपायर कर रहे हैं, सारी एयर को बाहर निकाल रहे हैं, उसके बाद भी हमारी लंग्स के अंदर कुछ एयर हमेशा रह जाती है, जिससे हमारे लंग्स कोलैप्स ना हो जाए, तो उस वॉल्यूम को, उस एयर के वॉल्यूम को हम रेजिडुअल वॉल्यूम कहते हैं. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ग्राफ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. GnRH, gonadotropin release hormone, important hormone. A hypothalamic hormone needed in reproduction acts on, see, it acts on anterior pituitary to stimulate FSH and LH. GnRH जो है gonadotropin release hormone, it is a hormone which is responsible for the activation of gonadotropins. Gonadotropins pituitary के होते हैं LH and FSH, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, which acts on both testes and ovaries but show different function respectively. In Bougainvillea, thorns are the modifications of. This question is important for class 10th also and 12th also. So it is a modification of stem. You can see very much in the diagram. Beautiful diagram. The thorns are arising from stem. Clear cut. Next question. Which one from those given below is the period from Mendel's hybridization experiment? For Mendel's hybridization experiments, मैंने मेंडल ऑफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ मेंडल डिस्कस की थी अपने लास्ट लेक्चर्स में, तो इसका आंसर जाएगा 1856 to 1863. I can give show you the short screenshot of it. He published the paper in 1866, so accordingly the answer will be first. Next question. Good vision depends on adequate intake of keratin rich food. Select the best option from the following statement. So the answer is fourth. The answer is D, C and A. So answer is second. Which of the following statement is not valid for aerosols? The answer is third. They cause increased agricultural productivity. There is no relation of increased agricultural productivity. Next question. A decrease in blood pressure volume will not cause the release of. The answer is atrial natriuretic factor. होमोजाइगस प्योर लाइन इन कैटल्स कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड बाय, देखिए अगर हमें प्योर लाइन चाहिए तो हमें सेम ब्रीड के इंडिविजुअल्स को ब्रीड कराना पड़ेगा अमंग द रिलेटेड इंडिविजुअल्स. सो आंसर विल बी मेटिंग ऑफ रिलेटेड इंडिविजुअल्स ऑफ सेम ब्रीड. The vascular cambium normally gives rise to, the answer is secondary xylem. You can see in the diagram also. Which of the following statements is wrong? Sorry, which of the following statements is correct? So the answer is ascending limb of loop of Henle is impermeable to water. You can see ascending limb, this is the descending limb and this is the ascending limb. Fruit and leaf drop at early stages can be prevented by the application of, answer is auxine. A baby boy aged 2 years is admitted to play school and passes through a dental checkup. The dentist observed that the boy had 20 teeth. Which teeth were absent? Answer is premolars. You can see in the diagram also. An important characteristic that hemichordates share with chordates is, the answer is pharyngeal gill slits. या मैं कहूँ pharynx with gill slits. Here is a body plan, chordate body plan, in which the notochord is there, and above the notochord there will be dorsal hollow nerve cord. That means the nervous system is found dorsally, and below the dorsal nerve cord there will be notochord, which will undergo the process of ossification to form vertebral column in case of vertebrates. These are the pharyngeal gill slits, and finally the post-anal tail. Artificial selection to obtain cows yielding higher milk output represents, it is a type of directional selection as it pushes the mean of the character in one direction. Next question, select the correct route for the passage of sperms in male frog. So the answer is fourth, testes, vasa efferentia, kidney, bidder canal, urinogenital duct and cloaca. You can see in the diagram also. Which of the following options best represents the enzyme composition of pancreatic juice? See, pancreatic juice is a juice which is considered as a complete digestive juice. इसके अंदर हर फूड कंपोनेंट को डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए एंजाइम्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, वेदर इट इज कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, लिपिड्स, प्रोटीन्स और न्यूक्लिक एसिड. सो द आंसर विल बी फोर्थ, लाइपेज, अमाइलेज, ट्रिप्सिनोजन एंड प्रोकार्बोक्सीपेप्टिडेज. Lipase is responsible for the digestion of lipids, amylase for carbohydrates, trypsinogen and procarboxypeptidase for proteins. Next question, phosphoenol pyruvate is the primary CO2 acceptor in. It is a very important question for class 11th and 12th. It is the answer is C4 plants. You can see the examples of C4 plants. The morphological nature of edible part of coconut is, देखिए अगर आपने मेरा फर्स्ट पार्ट देखा हो इसी लेक्चर का, तो उसमें कोकोनट के ऊपर एक और क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है, दैट कोकोनट इज अ टाइप ऑफ It is a type of drupe fruit, but the edible part is endosperm. See the diagram. Endosperm is of two types, liquid endosperm and solid endosperm, cellular endosperm जिसे हम कहते हैं. तो कोकोनट के अंदर जो पानी होता है that is the liquid endosperm, and the layer, white color layer, that is the cellular endosperm. Anaphase promoting complex APC is a protein degradation machinery necessary for proper mitosis of animal cells. If APC is defective in a human cell, which of the following is expected to occur? देखिए, अगर APC वर्क नहीं करेगा तो क्रोमोसोम सेग्रीगेट ही नहीं होंगे. So the answer will be chromosomes will not segregate. Next question, very important for class 12th board also. Malt, MALT, constitutes about how much percent of the lymphoid tissue in the human body? The answer is 50%. See the diagram carefully. Malt, the full form of malt is mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. Next question, receptor sites for neurotransmitters are present on? The answer is postsynaptic membrane. Actually, presynaptic membrane is involved in the release of neurotransmitter in the chemical synapse. The receptor sites for neurotransmitter are present on postsynaptic membrane. Next question, hypersecretion of growth hormone in adults does not cause further increase in height because, देखिए, अगर adolescence से पहले hypersecretion हो रहा है growth hormone का, then it will cause giantism. But अगर adolescence के बाद हो रहा है तो epiphyseal plates present होती हैं bones के ऊपर, जिसकी वजह से growth नहीं हो पाती है. So answer will be second. Epiphyseal plates close after adolescence. Next question, Alexander von Humboldt described for the first time. The answer is species area relationship. He observed that within a region, species richness increases with the increase in area. Next question, myelin sheath is produced by? The answer is Schwann cells and oligodendrocytes. You can see in the diagram also. In case of a couple where the male is having a very low sperm count, which technique will be suitable for fertilization? Answer will be artificial insemination. Check out the diagram. Next question, which of the following components provides sticky character to the bacterial cell? If I am talking about bacterial cells, stickiness is due to glycocalyx, the outermost layer, which is slimy in nature. Next question, DNA replication in bacteria occurs. See, in bacteria the न्यूक्लियस इज प्रिमिटिव टाइप, जिसे हम न्यूक्लियोइड कहते हैं. ठीक है, सो वहाँ पर आपका प्रॉपर माइटोसिस नहीं होता है. देयर इज अ प्रोसेस कॉल्ड एज एमाइटोसिस. सो डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन टेक्स प्लेस जस्ट प्रायर टू द फिजन. द फंक्शन ऑफ कॉपर आयंस इन कॉपर रिलीजिंग IUDs is? It suppresses the sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of sperms. The copper which is released from this copper T, you can see in the diagram, this is called as copper T. So this copper T is having copper wire here, which releases copper in small amount. So it is a type of IUCD in which the copper release always takes place in the female body, which decreases the sperm motility and fertilizing capacity also. Which of the following in sewage treatment removes suspended solids? For this I have a very beautiful diagram to explain the complete process. The answer is primary treatment. How? You can see. Let's see. Here the wastewater will enter. The coarse debris will settle down in the first section. Now the water will go through a sieve and then it will enter into a chamber where the sand and grit removal will take place. So, and after that it will go to another chamber in which the sludge, all the sludge will settle down and it will be digested by sludge digesters. So this complete process is called as the primary section. So here all the suspended solids are removed. So answer will be primary treatment. After that, in the secondary and tertiary treatment, there will be liquid which is going to be purified. Next question, water potential of pure water is? Answer is 0. Important for class 11th also. Next question, identify the wrong statement in context to heartwood. See, heartwood is a wood which is responsible for providing mechanical strength. It does not allow water at all. ये हार्टवुड जो है बिल्कुल पेड़ के बीचों बीच का सिरा है, हिस्सा है, तो वहाँ से कोई भी किसी भी तरीके का वाटर या मिनरल कंडक्शन हो ही नहीं सकता. It is responsible, it is highly durable, so it is responsible for the formation of furnitures also. So it does not allow water at all. Thalassemia and sickle cell anemia are caused due to problem in globin molecule synthesis. Select the correct statement. Both thalassemia and sickle cell anemia, they are the diseases or problems which are related to hemoglobin molecule, but there is a slight difference between them. In case of sickle cell anemia, you can see in the diagram the RBC shape becomes sickle shape, due to which the carrying capacity, oxygen carrying capacity of RBC decreases and the patient becomes anemic. Whereas in case of thalassemia, the RBC become malformed, due to which their hemolysis takes place at very early stage. So there is requirement of blood to the body at regular interval. Flowers which have single ovule in the ovary and are packed into inflorescence are usually pollinated by, they are pollinated by air, or I can say wind. The examples of such flowers are wheat, maize, rice. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any doubt regarding any question, please comment, please ask me. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. Watch my video completely, like it and share it. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. You can also play our quiz on QuizUp. Thank you so much once again.